This is two dogs having quite a lot of fun. And Hamish joining in. Clover is now having a little drink. Where are you going? And Juno, this is this dog here, is chewing a stick. And Clover's watching.
Wow!
And we've got two dogs together. And
Includes me.
Yes, includes you. And these two dogs are having quite a lot of fun. Oh look, she's going away. She's a very fast runner.
To run, I think.
Whoa, Juno.
Oh, they're having lots and lots of fun. Oh!
No, she sat down. Juno's stuck again. Hamish is running. Mummy's doing a lawn mowing. She's done quite a lot, you can see. Here's some grass that she needs to run. Here's some grass that she's doing. There's Taylor, there's Clover. Hi! And here's Juno. Let's stretch, and there she's moving.
That's what she was like.
She's very agile, isn't she?
Yeah, agile.
And now she's running.
Oh, yeah.
Hope we don't get her off the camera. Here we go. She's running again and again.
She's got such long legs, hasn't she?
Yep. Very long legs.
And very strong
They're a lot
bones.
longer than Clover's, aren't they? Look at Clover's little
Clover's
legs.
coming down.
Wow!
Not longer than
Clover's
Clover.
like a stone.
The more longer
They're
dogs'
flying together.
legs are, the more faster they run.
Absolutely right, Hamish. Well done. Greyhounds have got especially long legs, haven't they?
I don't know what greyhounds are.
And
Well, she's got a lot of greyhounds.
and Juno has grey. Juno is a greyhound.
Yeah, her.
Who is?
Juno.
Two dogs. Oh, they're running away.
Yes.
Running around. She's very fast runner. Whee! Round. Whoa. I'm getting dizzy, dude. Oh, this. Oh, there we go, the other way.
Clover.
Woo!
I'm joining in
Can't
with the
catch
dogs.
So Hamish is joining in playing catch.
Clover's protesting because he can't catch her.
Hello, Hamish.
Hi, Fred.
Clover, Juno. Now they're running again. It's the water.
Mom.
Water.
What?
Oh, my foot.
Clover ran into her own.
Okay, this is my foot. This is me. I don't know what I look like.
Do you want me to put the video on Facebook?
Yeah? Juno's chewing a sticker again.
Yes.
I'm going to wait until the time is finished.
No, it doesn't run out. That's not how it works.
Why not?
Stop it and I'll show you.
No! What about pause?
You can't pause it.